Yeah, we'll try to prepare beds a year in advance. Tarp, definitely, if the question is kind of about getting your garden beds ready for the next year in the current growing season, getting ready for the next growing season, absolutely. There's huge number of options available there for less work than if you're coming out in the spring and trying to get the ground ready. The easiest way is putting a black tarp or even a clear tarp over an area the year before, kill all the grass, and you're going to have like a beautiful bed to start off with. You might have to still add some compost, but the grass is dead, which is most of the problem for a lot of people. Um, and you could decompact then with a broad fork for sure. Um, Cover your beds in the fall. Don't let them be bare all winter, ideally. So many people do. Cover them with half a foot of leaves if you can, or grass clippings, and rake it back in the spring. Easy to do. It's building soil. You put them in the paths. You're building the soil in the paths, which can eventually be shoveled into the beds. It's all feeding the soil, which is feeding you. Um, we're basically conveyance systems for getting organic matter into our gardens. If we're food producers, we're just foragers of organic matter. So it's all about doing that strategically.